नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, वागीश्वरी के ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है। मैं हूं दिनेश शर्मा और आज आपके लिए लेके आया हूं मैथमेटिक्स का एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक जो क्लास 10th के लिए है, एपी अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ मोटिवेटेड लाइंस आपके सामने पेश कर रहा हूं। द लाइंस आर विद एजुकेशन इज द पासपोर्ट to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. It means education is the biggest part of your life. You are a student, so you know about the importance of education. It is make your future. Your future is bright or bad, it depend on your work you do today. So you do hard work every day. Never give up. Do hard work. So let's start the topic of class 10 AP arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Short form is AP. What is AP? What is the definition of AP? The definition of AP, it is a series. It is a series of sequence in same common difference of consecutive numbers. We explain the all words. Series means it is a number of series 2, 4, 6, 8, this like, and the sequence in the sequence manner. Common difference, it means what is the word? It is important word. Common difference means the gap between the two number. Consecutive means the continuous number. Just like that, 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. This is a AP or not. We can decide it by the factor of common difference. The difference between two consecutive numbers is same, then it is called AP. Otherwise we not call this series is AP. Just like same common difference. The difference between first two consecutive numbers is 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 3. Next 8 minus 5 is plus 3. Next 11 minus 8 is plus 3, so on. So the common difference of the series is 3. All consecutive number, the difference between all consecutive numbers is 3. So this is a AP. This one is a AP. Next example, the 5, 7, 9, 12, this is so. This is AP. You can say this one is AP. We check that. 7 minus 2 plus 2. 7 minus 5 plus 2. 9 minus 7 plus 2. 12 minus 9 is plus 3. So the difference between all consecutive numbers is not same. This is not same. This is same, but this one is not same. So it is not fulfill the condition of AP. This is not the part of AP. So we can check the series this with AP or not by the common difference of each consecutive numbers. We can discuss with a diagram, just like in a series have 2 box. In next series have 4 box. Next series have arranged in 6 box. This series is in AP. Yes, we can say that this is AP because this is 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means this series is started by 2, 4, 6, so on. This is the gap between the two consecutive boxes is +2, then it will, we say that this is a AP. So you can understand properly this one is AP or this one is not AP. So next part of this AP, today we introduce AP with the basic of these phenomena. Just like next part, what is the series of AP? Series of AP it means the AP is the formula of the series of AP is the first term is known as A and the second term is A plus D and the third term is A plus 2D and the fourth term is A plus 3D, as so on. This is the terms of AP. This is a normal basic formula of AP. This formula is obtained by the last term formula. Last term of any AP, the formula is Tn, and we can say that L is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. This is a formula of finding the last term of AP. This is known as last term. This one is the first term. This one is the number of terms and it is the common difference. So the first term of an AP is known as A. For the example, 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. We can find the last term of this AP, then we can use the formula of this, where A is 2. First term of AP is A. This is the first term, so A is 2. The D is the gap between first two consecutive, any two consecutive. 5 minus 2, 8 minus 5, 11 minus 8. Always find 3 because this is an AP. Next, in a question given any terms, 12th term, finding 12th term, finding 100 terms, according to question which depend n according to question, where n is 12. We find the last term using this formula. This formula is applied for finding the last term of this AP. So the next formula of AP finding the sum of AP. This is denoted by Sn. This is the sum of any nth term. Is the formula of n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. It is also a formula or Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. This is also we use when L, A, N given in the question, then we use this formula. Otherwise we use when first term is given, number of terms is given, and the common difference is given, then we finding the sum of the AP according to this formula. So L is the last term. We know about this formula, A plus n minus 1 multiplied by P. So in this chapter we can use the three formulas, first, second and third, with the basic concepts of according to the questions. So we do questions in next video, important questions and hard questions we considered in this next video. So please keep with us, support this channel, subscribe, share and like. Thank you.